realize how lonely so without a home. But now I've come to realize that I'm right where I belong.
Hi guys, welcome to another episode of All Terrain Action. Let's get into it.
I was trying to work out where to stick.
Alright, you want this one back?
We'll put it there.
Just put it in the camera bag, right side.
I can put it here.
Camera bag.
Yeah, but it won't, there's no way it'll stick.
That's a sticky 3M sticky thing. My wipers go there.
Yeah, but you don't, oh, do you use them? Oh yeah, you can get covered in dust.
It was there.
Chuck it on your sunroof.
It was there.
Do you have anything to wipe it?
Maybe not leave that can you?
Why likes to play?
Yeah, can you put that back?
Wobbles on that drive.
Well, I can't promise anything, but I'll put it on and see how we go.
Wobbles around on that long thing though.
But the idea is you press this down as far as you can go. Press this down. Do that up. And you can see through your window, yeah? You can see this through your window?
Yeah.
So, if you hear a clunk, clunk, clunk noise, because it's happened to me, don't worry.
I have to find my GoPro. That's right, I've connected it up to my phone.
Yeah.
I'll keep mine on 40 for now, my portable.
Yeah. Yeah, he sent us on.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God.
Thanks for the mark, Chris.
No worries.
Did you actually hit him? Honey?
Did I actually touch you? Wait, did I actually contact?
Yeah, you reversed into me.
What? Really?
Yeah.
I didn't hear any, like, hit. It must have been like... It must have been like the tiniest little love tap because we didn't feel it in here.
I didn't feel it, but I thought I was working off the sensors, but yeah, I don't know, that's interesting.
At least we only hit the bull bar.
Jesus Christ.
This is the going down part you didn't want to look. You didn't like,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Why don't you water?
What do you mean water?
Might- 'cause, 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 sounded a little bit like water. You know that trickling water sound?
Yeah. My gears are stuck.
I mean,
I engaged, right? It's probably a bit warm.
they're bad. So low is like low range, basically.
Should be on 40. Maybe I should be on 40.
Paul's gonna do his handhelds on 40.
Yeah, it's probably not a bad idea. Yeah, this is a pretty
Gnarly track.
up there track.
Aircon's boiling again.
Just turn that off.
How's the brakes doing?
Don't know.
Just pulled over on that right hand hand, let my brakes fall down.
Roger.
Brakes heading up.
I haven't got a brake warning yet on my temperature, so I'm not sure.
Yeah, you've gone. I reckon we've gone down a fair way, so I'm going to be keeping an eye on it.
On fire?
Yeah. Yeah.
Your phone has no data connection, so I can't help you.
Think I just lost a tyre potentially.
What?
Yeah, I think I might have just, like, as in pressure.
Alright, I'm going to keep that down past Luke then.
Roger.
I can smell the brakes. The brakes are hot.
Yeah, I'm going to try and get to the bottom and then work from there. Check your side.
Can't see. Hold on. Too good of it.
You heard that, yeah?
Yeah. Is that bash plate?
Yeah, it's bash plate. Not sure what that was.
Right. once he goes past, you can pull into there. No, I couldn't see the back tyre without hanging all the way out the window. You know what I mean?
To look over flat. Jesus Christ.
Well, Oliver, the first plate's getting a really good workout today. I can hang out the window. Jesus. You hear that? Any noise.
Yeah, I can't check this. Oh, clearance is definitely
A problem here?
it's not good here.
I need to get out. I need to check.
Real careful there, Luke.
Brakes hot, brakes hot, brakes hot, brakes hot.
I know brakes are hot. They've been hot for a little while.
Just gotta check. I know, I think I know what happened.
What happened? One of the airbags busted?
Yep.
Huh?
Yep.
That's not me, it's a fix, is it?
It's not a fix at all. Oh, no. We're right.
What is it?
Airbag's not busted.
Yeah, what's wrong with it? Something caught in it?
And I found the problem. It's not a tyre issue.
Problem is tire issues are fixable.
One of the airbags in the rear didn't pop, but the connecting valve's disconnected from overpressure maybe. So we'll be able to hook it back up. I'm not going to try to hook it up here. I got a brake warning temperature, so it asked me to stop, so I've just pulled up. Just keep coming down, Will, until I see you, and then we'll keep going.
How
We
far?
just passed old mate who was coming up.
So you,
And Luke's just behind us, so we'll be down there shortly.
Yeah, roger.
he doesn't get brake temperature warnings.
Yeah, that's another thing the V8s don't get. They don't get a brake temperature monitor.
Anyway, you can have these. I don't really like them. Yay!
Do you have a phone?
What do you need it for?
I don't know.
You need a battery swap too on the GoPro.
That's not the right. Don't you need to turn the car off?
No. Yeah.
How long will it until they cool down?
Alright.
All good? Are they cool enough?
We go slow.
The hill descent control kind of stops them from getting too hot, yeah?
Brakes go down.
Really?
Not really. I'm letting hill descent manage the temperatures.
down off the bottom now anyway, so we're gonna pull up and sort of relax for a second.
Yeah, we got 100, about 100 meters elevation.
I've not lost brake pressure, but they're very, very spongy at the moment.
Jesus.
Best Blade's definitely getting a workout today, isn't it?
Yeah, just monitor as you're coming down just to make sure if it starts to get too spongy or your car starts slipping, probably pull it up.
To be fair, if the car starts slipping, we're probably not going to have any brakes. So. While we're stopped here, are we stopping here?
Is there a way through here?
Yeah, you can get through here. Isn't there a log behind you? There's nothing wrong with the tyre, hon. It's the tyre that's the problem.
Jesus Christ. Oh my God. That descent.
That is a hill.
Whew. So apparently I reversed into Luke.
Yep.
Gave him a love tap. Did I really?
Because I was right behind you because of where...
Yeah, I know. I could see ya, but I went with the sensors, which is unreliable. There. Yep, right there.
Right on the rubber.
Yeah, because the sensors would have gone through the hole. And they're full of dirt anyway.
Oh, probably I gave you a good knock actually.
Yeah, the old brakes are smoking.
Yeah, you gotta be careful.
You had to park right in the blackberries, didn't you? What did you do?
I think one of the airbag alarms just came out because I heard a whoosh, whoosh. I'm like, oh, that's a tyre.
Like pierce the tyre.
But then I'm like, that's weird because the tyre pressure sensors are still reporting that everything's 20, you know, 2022. So I'd turn your car off.
Yeah.
Yeah, turn off for like 10 minutes. I don't know what's coming up next, so we should let him cool down for a little bit. We should cook something up for lunch or something right here. It'll be
actual temp gauge hasn't changed.
oh, car temperature.
Yeah.
Car temperature will be
I
fine.
thought we were having lunch at Licola. How far are we from Licola?
I don't know, but we can't really drive when it's like that because if that actually gets too hot,
Yeah, it won't have any brakes at all.
other stuff you start fading and then
You can cook your eggs on there.
no, your other issue is guarantee you that is untouchable.
Oh, yeah.
What is this man called again?
I don't know. It's really annoying.
Well, we're still alive. Probably brakes a little warm.
Do any damage?
Nah, I didn't. My airbag clip came apart because it's probably too much pressure, but that's it. So, but I mean, between these two, this has got a hill descent control with the brakes. This one doesn't. So he's got no choice but to ride it in pretty much not even a real gear and go down and hope he survives. So I'm impressed I'm alive. That's actually, I was worried how much further. I'm looking on my thing, I'm like, it says 200 meters left altitude till ground sea level. Gotta be close. The rocky bit.
It's a good car.
Anyway, thanks guys, stay safe. Have a good long weekend. There's.
Yeah.
Still getting the looks.
I'm impressed.
How you coping?
Yeah, fine.
You alright?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's probably the biggest one.
Are you right? How are you with these type of things?
Oh,
Does it make you nervous at all, or no? Okay.
I reckon it is only because of all the extra weight too.
Oh, I drive a cement truck up in the hot
Yeah.
country.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
I'll get you to back up over there in the dirt.
The dirt? No, I reckon what we do is we chuck a mat down and we just
What mat?
Will's little grass thing. Yeah, you know your swag thing.
yeah.
Can we just borrow that for a bit?
Yeah.
He's gonna try and retouch his airline and run air back into the bags.
You want to hang that up so you can put all the rubbish in?
Yep.
Oh, can you get the rubbish out of the front seat of the car?
Yep. The wood guys. Who the hell are wood guys?
The guy that was chopping up the wood.
Oh yeah.
Did you see? You wrote her name, Will?
Speeding up.
Huh? Yeah, they'll speed it up.
You got airbags
No, I just got the standard airbag. I just made a switch to.
in the shop.
Yeah. Just made a switch to be able to make them go higher and lower. Temporary until I've worked out of. I didn't know if I'd be able to use the factory setup, which apparently I can. So I'm gonna make some switches down there, and probably like a cut-off sensor.
It's not going to help when Will's sitting on it.
That's fine. Yep. Turn them off, Will. Just jump up and down on the back. See if the valve pops back out. Seems fine. At least there's air in the airbags now. Alright, so we're still going down Burgoynes.
I don't know how to pronounce that. Oh, Jesus. I don't think so. I think you can go straight. I don't know how to do that.
Not sure, we're stopped for a second.
There's a river crossing.
Possible other vehicles maybe or something?
Does it look deep to you, or is it just me? Oh no, it's not that deep. It might be a little bit deep.
Shit.
How's the depths?
Down.
Did you watch him?
How deep was it? You want me to
Is it
walk
more
over?
shallow to the right? Have a look.
I'm gonna walk over if you want.
Saying bye-bye to my engine today. I'm gonna cover that. Oh, it's not too bad.
I did Brunton's bridge and stuff the other day, the other week.
Oh, I'm not worried. I'm sealed to the intake, so I've got until the top of my wheel arch just. Can I take the right side? You'll have to walk it. You can't look at it. I'm happy to walk it if someone wants to drive this over.
I'll walk it, okay.
But it has to be walked. There's no way. I need to actually see an actual.
As long as you've got no issues with me getting wet in your car. Yeah, okay, I'll walk over here. So I think... So I reckon you want to follow my line, yeah? So I reckon you come in here, I'm going to get so wet. This is why I bought spare socks. Alright, so follow me. I am going to get so wet. Oh, that's cold. And wet. Because there's probably sharp rocks. They'll dry. Come over to this side more.
No. Just under, ideally.
That way, Chris. Right into the deep part.
You're going into the deep part.
Left?
Yes, left.
Hang on.
Yeah, come, keep coming.
You need to stay over here and then turn up.
Wall's not actually giving you any indication of what you're supposed to be doing.
Well, one of you need to direct. So it's you or you?
Let me do the directing. I got this.
He was driving straight through the middle.
So come past Will, come over this way, and I'll tell you when to turn back towards me. Now go straight from there. Just go straight on from that angle you're now. Keep coming, I'll tell you when to start turning this way.
Sit down, please.
Keep coming, and you can start turning this way, you'll be right.
Turn?
Yeah. And then follow my line here.
No, they're all watching over there.
Easy.
Okay.
Suzuki.
Yeah, I'll be back in a second.
I don't think so. I think we're going that way.
Sorry, what was that? What? Oh, no.
Yep, now hold it straight for a bit and I'll tell you when to turn back this way. Start turning back now, you should be fine. Now hold that straight, hold it straight, hold it straight, hold it straight, hold it straight, and then swing back up.
Good.
Did it feel like you lost any torque?
Yeah, big flood.
Yeah, because that means you got a little bit of water in there. Just keep going. You'll be right. You'll be fine though if you install it. Whoa!
Go. I'll walk up this bit. Don't only stop us up there anyway.
So basically, in these, there's a factory hole for a drain plug here.
Yeah.
I've filled mine, and then I've sealed mine all the way to here.
Oh, okay.
So, but there's a downside, because if he gets water in the intake,
Yep.
it's got nowhere to go.
That's right.
So I just... The problem is...
There was one about to cross the river. There was one about to cross the river.
There's a convoy back there.
Oh, okay.
No, there's at least 3 cars minimum back there.
We'll keep going. Up.
My shoes are wet.
It's right. Yeah. So basically at the bottom of this there's a hole, but you see how it's hot. See how it's not wet though down here? Yeah. I don't think he got high enough, but the problem we have is he's got a cold air intake, I think. Yeah, so what happens is if he pushes water up here,
Yeah.
goes straight in. But he'll have a drain hook on there, so I wouldn't worry too much about it. But hold up. That is not sitting. That'll melt there.
They're coming up.
Howdy, mate. Nothing to see here. Move along. Nothing to see here. Move along.
to Colorado.
So that's the difference between our sealed system and his not. He got water in there.
Yeah, he also went through a bit quicker than you
He
did.
went way too quick. I don't
And he's got a cold air intake. The water just comes straight in the front.
What's the deal, Warlock?
Ah, he's right. I think he'll be right. He'll clear out. It's petrol motor, so. Anyway, carry on.
You right? Yeah. He just needed to cool his engine down a little bit. Did he get water in it?
A little bit.
Yeah, Will's trying to give me directions because Will's saying nothing. He's just walking, hoping you'll just follow the direction he's walking. Will's trying to give me directions, so I'm trying to give you the directions Will's giving me.
Yeah, it's so confusing.
Will's sitting there just doing nothing. He's
Serious
just
looks
walking.
based on the capability of these vehicles. Just
Sorry, mate?
Then we're getting some serious looks based on the capabilities of these vehicles.
Oh, really?
That's what we want. And then I'll go like, they wasn't sure if you guys would make it down.
True that, true that.
I don't know, when it comes to giving directions and shit, Will and Will are just as bad as each other.
Yeah, Apparently we had the whole bloody river watching us.
Yeah, there was people camped down. There was people camped down there that were watching.
Were they all standing up?
Yeah.
It's so good.
What is that horrible smell?
Sand.
So it is. What's wrong, Wyatt?
So the heads is a steep climb, they're all going up one by one.
I would assume so.
How steep? Well, you might want to walk up here with UHF just in case.
Yeah. Stuck.
And maybe, I don't know. But I have a funny feeling if they're getting stuck, we're going to have some problems.
This is supposed to be an easy track.
Yeah. But it doesn't mean the elevation's not high because it doesn't account for low range. Are we going to have a steepness problem or what?
They might not. They might just be waiting for each one to get up.
Okay.
What can you see, well?
See.
There's a rut in the middle.
Where?
Just there. You see the lip at the top?
Go down and sit with Will.
I'm going to run up and give you some guidance.
Well, GoPro it, yeah.
Oh, my GoPro. It's on charge.
Yeah.
Okay. You want me to go first, don't you? Oh, it's so far to walk.
Steep and slippery, is it?
Nearly fine.
Pardon?
Yeah, it's soft as shit.
Call me up. Next one up, next one up.
Send it up, Luke.
It's a bit rutted, but should be alright.
If he holds the right line, it'd be a bit better. Yeah, hook it up here. He still may need to give it some bickies though. See how he goes. No, you don't want to go too close, but yeah, so there's a center line.
Copy that.
On the left and
and wait for you boys.
You might have to give it a bit of bickies coming up over that bit. Hang on a sec, Will. You right to keep going back, Luke? Just hold your wheel straight and go back, you'll be right. Yeah, just send it up on that left-hand edge. Just so you straddle the holes.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Right next to the tree there and a bit up towards me. Doesn't seem to be.
Yeah, nice. Good drive, good drive.
That seems to be a bit better.
Yeah.
That thing's banging its guts out.
Oh, they do. It's because they don't have the articulation, so it all just... Exercise is good. Theoretically.
Look at that.
Let these guys pass.
Oh, how much more hill is there? Oh, me, there's a whole heap more hill.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, guys.
We have to walk up.
I don't know yet.
Bloody hell, this is going to be hit or miss for us.